Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 15. 1. Let us live happily then, hating none in the midst of men who hate. Let us dwell free from hate among men who hate. 2. Let us live happily then, free from disease in the midst of those who are afflicted with disease. Let us dwell free from disease among men who are afflicted with disease. 3. Let us live happily then, free from care in the midst of those who are careworn. Let us dwell free from care among men who are careworn. 4. Let us live happily then, we who possess nothing. Let us dwell feeding on happiness like the shining gods. 5. Victory breeds hatred. The conquered dwells in sorrow. He who has given up thoughts of both victory and defeat, he is calm and lives happily. 6. There is no fire like passion, no ill like hatred. There is no sorrow like this physical existence, individuality. There is no happiness higher than tranquillity. 7. Greediness is the worst of diseases. Propensities are the greatest of sorrows. To him who has known this truly, nirvana is the highest bliss. 8. Health is the greatest of gifts. Contentment is the greatest wealth. Trust is the best of relationships. Nirvana is the highest happiness. 9. Having tasted the sweetness of solitude and the sweetness of tranquility, he becomes free from fear and free from sin while he drinks the sweetness of the joy of the law. 10. The sight of the noble is good. To live with them in their company is always happiness. He will be always happy who does not see fools. 11. He who consorts with a fool suffers a long time. Association with fools as with an enemy is always productive of pain. Association with the wise, as meeting with one's kinsfolk, is productive of happiness. 12. Therefore, even as the moon follows the path of the constellations, one should follow the wise, the intelligent, the learned, the much enduring, the dutiful, the noble. Such a good and wise man one should follow.